Good morning, student, and Assalamu alaikum. Today is again the continuation of exercise 1.3, and we are going to do question number 2. Simplify the following expression, and we have done question number 1, 2, and 3, and here we are going to start question number 4. So write down question number 4, that is 6 plus under root 2 into 5 minus under root 5. So this is a rational expression, and we just have to simplify them. In previous question number 1 and 2, we learned how to add these expressions, and here in question number 3, 4 onward, we are doing how to multiply these expressions. So when we are multiplying this expression, we have to multiply this 6 and this under root 2 with the whole term. So now we are going to start it. 6 into 5 minus under root 5. We are going to multiply this 6 with this whole expression. And in the next, what we are going to do then, under root plus under root 2 is multiplying with 5 minus under root 5. This whole term. Now we have to further simplify it. 6 into 5 is 30 minus, here 6 will be the index, like here 6 under root 5. When we multiply them, it will be like 6 under root 5, then plus under root 2 into 5. How can we write it? 5 will be there and under root 2, because they are multiplying, and when we multiply this, it will be under root 5 under root 2, and then under root 5 and under root 2. We write it simply under root 5 and under root 2. Next step, we will further simplify that. Then 30, this will remain as it is, 6 into under root 5 plus 5 into under root 5, but these two can come under a single radical sign, 5 multiplied by 2, because both of them have a radical sign, and we can write it under a single radical sign. So next step will be 6 under root 5 plus 5 under root 2 minus under root 10. This cannot further solve, and we will leave the answer in this. Hence, we simplify it, we multiply it, and then get the answer. And this is the answer. This was question number 4. Now we are going to do question number 5. Question number 5, see, under root 3 minus 2 bracket close, then 5 minus under root 5. Again we have to do the same way. We have to multiply this under root minus 3 with this whole term, and then this minus 2 with this whole term, and simplify it further. Now we are going to do this. How to multiply it? Under root 5 is multiplying with 5 minus under root 5, because there is no sign between these brackets, so it means we have to multiply them. Then minus 2 into 5 minus under root 5. Then how do we write it? Under root 5 and 5 will be there, and under root 3 will be there, minus under root 5 under root 3. Both of them are under the radical sign. We can combine the radical sign in the next step and write in the same way. Then minus 2 into 5 is 2 into 5 is 10. Then minus minus, it will be plus, and 2 under root 5. Next, it will be 5 under root 3 as it is. Then we will combine the radical sign and write in the multiply them, and it will be in this way, and minus 10, and then plus 2 under root 5. Next step, 5 under root 3 minus, it product will be 15, then minus 10, and then 2 under root 5, and this is done here. It will not go further. Our product is completed. I will explain this question again, because all the questions are 3, 4, 5 are in the same way. We have to take the product of expressions, these rational expression having the radical signs. When we are going to multiply them, it will be under root 5 is multiplied with this whole term, then minus 2 is multiplying with this whole term, and then we get the answer. So we multiply here under root 5 into this whole term 5 minus under root 5, and then minus 2 into our whole term, and in the same way we further solve it and get the answer. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is done, and now we are going to start question number 6. See question number 6. 7 plus under root 3, and then it's 5 plus under root 2. Again see the question, 7 plus under root 3 and 5 plus under root 2. So further what we are going to do, we are taking the product of it. We will multiply this value with this whole term as we have done in the previous, 7 into 5 plus under root 2, and then plus under root 3 into whole term, that is 5 plus under root 2. The next step what we are going to do, 7 into 5 will be 35 plus 7 under root 2. Like this we will write it here. Plus 3 under root 3 and 5. How to write it down when multiply? 5 will be there and under root 3 will be there. Plus under root 2 under root 3. When we multiply with them, we get it here. Now next step, 35 plus 7 under root 2 plus 5 under root 3 plus 2 into 3. When we get the answer, when the radical sign will here, and we get the answer, 35 plus 7 under root 2 plus 5 under root 3, and what will be here, under root 2 and under root 3 and 2, when we multiply it we will get it here under root 6, and this is our answer, and it's finished here. Your homework is you have to practice these questions at least 3 times.